Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make a stuffed Mirliton piro. Okay, so now we have some bacon. We're going to chop this up. For this recipe, we probably need about 3 slices or so. So I just want to, go ahead and set these on the side, and we'll chop these up fairly coarsely. What we want to get, what we're really looking for, is the flavor in the pan. So go ahead and set the bacon aside. I just like to put them together just like that a little bit, and then get a sharp knife. I like to run it through this direction. And then just kind of bundle it together. Like I said, we want this fairly coarsely chopped, but you can go ahead and run your knife through this direction too.